Let's study negative velocity. What does it mean by negative velocity? It's negative velocity. Okay. Negative velocity means, what does it mean? Let's see. Velocity is equal to what? Displacement by time. Velocity displacement by time. We know velocity equals to displacement by time, and here it is given velocity is negative. So let's check with it with negative sign. Okay. We know time is always positive. Okay, so displacement will be what? Equals to, so velocity can be negative only this term, displacement will be negative. This is always positive. Okay, time is always positive. It means velocity will be negative only if the displacement will be negative. Okay, so let's define it. If displacement is negative, then velocity is called negative velocity. Okay, this displacement is negative here. The two factors governing velocity is displacement and time. So in the graph consideration, we will plot the graph between these two factors. That is, here it is displacement, suppose that represented by x, and here it is t, time. Here we see, this is suppose that the time intervals, and suppose it is time t1, t2, okay, t3, t4, any time intervals, and here it is what, x1, x2, x3. Now let's consider, if we increase the time intervals, what will happen to the displacement is negative, so it will decrease. It means it will go in the opposite direction. Okay, the displacement is decreasing, it is coming less. So if at time if the time is less, the displacement is more, and if the time is more, the displacement will be less. Okay, so here at time t1 it will be somewhat like, and at time t2 it will come down, and t3 it will come more down, because the displacement is negative, it is not increasing. Okay, this will be somewhat, the graph will come in this way for negative velocity. Okay, thank you.